to part 2, and Mr. Cheese is out. Last time we stopped, we were in the base. We were in the attic. Mr. Cheese. I know. I have him on my back.
I'm Chucky.
I know you talking. I know you talking. Hey, oh, come me, Chucky, yeah, baby. Chucky, I taste better than Chucky. Chucky, I taste better. Oh crap! Nope, yep, he ate me.
Oh, I just pressed the button.
Go, quick. Now I just gotta wait for the elevator, boys.
You don't have to press that button, no?
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I do.
I'm here. Here.
Did you die?
No.
Am I supposed to press another button? Oh, yeah. Did you die?
No. You're here.
Hey, Mr. T. Ah, you fatty. Look at you, buddy. Look at you. No wonder why you're stuck in the attic. No wonder. You're ugly as heck, bro. Look at you. Look at you. You look like you have some crap, did power just go out? Second time I got ate by him.
Yeah, you do not need a better way.
Yeah, I do. Why did he eat me?
What?
No, he ate me. He tried to eat me 2 times because he likes the first piece of taste, but he spits me out because he doesn't like my bottom. Yeah, power's 100% out. Mr. Rusty Elevator. Oh crap. Oh, it's so dark in here. Tucky. Easton, are you still up here? Okay. Room, that's good.
I want to stop the kid car. Where?
What? They're all gone?
What?
Like all of them?
Where?
Come here, what?
Our host is trying to leave. Our host
What
is
the?
the only one we can live off of. Our host is trying to leave. We don't want you to die. We want you to live.
Okay.
We
Okay, yeah.
never got to live.
Alright. What? Oh, I got a key. I got a key. I got a key. If I can take. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I can't open that door. What is happening? Guys, I'm trying to get back up here. Guys, my couch. Oh, I am. I'm bummed. Okay, go up. I got the key. I'm going back down.
Wait, you died?
No, I'm coming back down. In the elevator. Can't wait to see Elvis Press. Where is he? He's in the attic? Okay, I'm waiting in the elevator room with you for you. We'll see you in there. Miss Mons. Me, boy. Me, Mr. Munson. Watermelon Journal, that mythic from Steel Brainrot. Close door. Okay, we got this, Ethan. We got this. We can go kill Elvis Presley. Oh my gosh, it's bad. Oh my god, what the frick is that thing? What is that thing? I have the key. I have the key. We can beat the game. We can beat the game. See?
Wait, why are we on the key card?
I have the key. But I need to unlock that door. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, he's going back.
That was right there. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Oh. Sorry about the bit. Being a lot of pain, but. Let's watch this, Houston.
Oh, I don't run away.
Frick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Volume warning. Okay.
Are you ready?
Every time that guy screams, like, turn it I'm sorry if you had your device all the way up. That was pretty loud.
That would be amazing.
What? What? Boy.
You just shot them. It was like, you have to close the door to get. Stop, police.
I did. I closed them.
Guys, open it up. I can do it. Can't stay there. I can stay there. Don't move. Don't move.
Oh, what is this?
Go.
Crap. Get me up. Oh, we made it. We made it. Oh.
We made it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, we're about this with weapons. This was part 2.